out there, and he's going to join them. Now you know all about the arms. Keep your eyes on them. As we mentioned, they'll open at -5 seconds. Right after that comes the ignition sequence. It's all about authorizing the liftoff, and for this we have to light the main engine on the ground so we can verify it's working properly. You hear the DDO call out allumage ignition, count to 7. The computers will give the order to send Ariane
off. Tous, 2 DDO. Attention pour le décompte final.
Final countdown. 10, we'll be back in about half a minute.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, unité, top, allumage Vulcain. Confirmé. Top, allumage EAP. Décollage.
So right on time, Ariane is lifting off, burning the engines, leaving the Earth's atmosphere into the night sky over French Guiana. Fine shots, they're always very impressive. Did you remember to count to 7? You saw that sequence, the boosters lighting. The DDO is calling out everything is fine on board. These shots, we can attribute them to our cameraman, Olivier Cléry, who is on the balcony here in Jupiter. 780 tons burning now at liftoff as Ariane leaving the atmosphere. She's burning 5 tons of fuel per second, 2.5 tons in each booster, and the core stage burning another 300 kilos per second. We're in the first of 4 flight phases. Everything normal, the DDO is saying. The first 3 phases are powered, the last is not. We'll be describing each of them in turn, in detail, so you can follow Ariane as she heads across the Atlantic. Right now, the first flight phase, this is the single Vulcan core stage, and the 2 boosters are burning. The boosters are going to burn for about another 20 seconds, just over 2 minutes. You hear the DDO call out that. Jesus has returned, and he has a big smile on his face. So how was it out there?
It was really impressive. Well, the launcher holding itself against the gravity with the big lightning. It was like it was a day. It was the day.
You can read a newspaper out there, I bet.
It's quite impressive. With the big delay between the sound that got. But it was really fantastic, yes.
Super. Well, if that doesn't make you want to come down and watch a launch, folks, I don't know what will. We're going to have booster confirmation of the boosters. There it is. You just saw the flame out of the boosters. You'll see them fall away. The DDO confirming that. The boosters burn from the top down. Once they're lit, there's no stopping them. That's the point of no return. There you are. You see the 2 boosters, the orange flames falling away, and the single white spot, that's the core stage continuing to burn. That's also called the EPC.
You have lost 2/3 of its weight.
That's right. We're down to 175 tons now from an initial mass at liftoff of 775. So we've lost 600 tons in 3 minutes.
It's funny. During the liftoff, we had a thrust of 1,300 tons, and 90% was delivered by the boosters. So
Ariane really set an example for rapid weight loss. All right, take a look, Jesus, on the upper left and the lower left. Give us a rundown of what we're seeing on the